it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am back with Temu. So a few months ago, I did my first Temu unboxing. I have another whole huge box and a little small box of clothes, but also I told them that I'm going to travel very soon, so they wanted me to pick out some traveling items. And first of all, I'm still so confused about how it's so cheap, but like the quality really wasn't that bad. Although I just didn't like some of the fits or the design of the clothes, like the quality in general was pretty decent. And another good thing is that they have a lot of coupons, and they also have like 90% off on their like website or something. Plus all their stuff is free shipping and free returns. The total amount of everything that I have today is $150. So let's start this unboxing. Whew. Oh my god, they're so... Oh my god, this is so cute! What did I get? Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, there's so much. 10 packages. I have all the clothes here, and then I have 5 packages for my traveling, but they're kind of like all together in the same box, which I'm glad because I don't want them to waste so many like packages, you know. Okay, I'll go with the traveling products first. Okay, the first one is this right here. It's a mini electric iron. It's perfect for traveling because I'm not going to like a hotel, but I still need to like iron my clothes. Oh, stop. Dude, this is so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's smaller than my phone. There's that water thingy right here. You can't see, huh? There's the button. I think that's like mist. It came with the little cup. And then there's a little cap for this. Guys, this moves. Oh! But now the problem is like, is it gonna work well? Before, after. In my next package, I have these 4 items. It's a toothbrush box. Looks like this. It's gonna put like my toothbrush and then my toothpaste, and then I could use this as my water cup. It's 2-in-1. I got a beauty blender case. 2 came together. One of my pet peeves is to put makeup brushes or my makeup sponge in like my makeup bag without like any case or like coverage, you know, because all the germs are going in there, like, you know, it just doesn't feel sanitary. So I got this. I'm really excited for this. And it came with 2, which is perfect because I have 1 for foundation and 1 for powder. And like I said about brushes, I don't like to take it. So I got this. Oh my gosh, super small. Ready? I'm genuinely so shocked right now. I did not expect this texture from this. Next, I got 3 eye brushes. Oh, these are so smooth. Okay. This one I wouldn't use. It's too stiff, but there's 3 of them, so hopefully 1 is good to go. Like, do you see the strength of this? It's pretty strong. You can hear it by the sound. Oh, yes! Yes! I was about to get disappointed, but this one saved it. And then I got this cute egg hairbrush / mirror. Ah! Push it. Bam. Cute! Next, I got the shampoo, conditioner, body wash set. I usually buy the traveling sizes and stuff, and I don't want to buy a new one like every single time. So might as well buy a container of my own, wash it myself, and then reuse it. And also like just use the shampoo that I'm using. And this, it's silicone. What I really like about this though, I was kind of worried that it might like leak through here, like in the airplane and stuff. It's so stable. Next is this thing. I'm still confused what this is. It's the shoe bag. And I believe there was 10 of these. And I love how it's thin and like see-through, so I know which shoes. The only concern I have is like, are these gonna rip? Because they look a little too thin. This fabric is kind of like the fusible interfacing. It could be a little fragile. Okay, next package. I'm pretty sure girls like know this, but it's to like curl your hair. I don't take curling irons when I travel, so I was like, maybe I could take this. And then I think I could just do a better job on this, but this looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys know the socks trick where you like put the socks and like you curl it around the socks, tie it, and then you sleep like that. Like I used to do that for natural like curly hair. This is gonna be so much better. Next, it's 7 pieces pouch set, and I got the color pink. There's handles, yay! It's like this. I got a small pouch. Oh, there's a smaller one. This one. Oh wait, it says it. I could put my undergarments here. Yes, One of the reasons why I got these bags is because of the undergarments. And then there's a picture right here for shoes. By the picture, it just looks like just whatever. This fabric is like super thick. And then there's a bigger one and it's see-through like a net. I roll all my clothes when I travel to like save spaces. So this is perfect. So I could like shove it in all together. And this one too. Yo, like all these sizes are so nice. It's not too big or too small. Okay, that was all for my traveling items. Let's move on to clothes. I still have 10 more packages of clothes. Unbelievable. Okay, I got this white shorts. Oh my, hopefully I got all the right sizes. I get very picky about my pants because of like camel toe, the fit, like the waist and stuff. Since I'm like trying it out and this is like a review, might as well try to get something I would get very critical of. Let's try it on. Okay, I am wearing the pants. It is a little bit loose, but it's okay, I can figure that out. It's not see-through at all, so it's good. I'm confused why the button is so like on the left. I think the length is like perfect. Honestly, the fit is not bad either. Ooh, really nice fabric. Okay. I got a t-shirt. I just thought it was cute. Like, I just like black and pink. Black pink. Oh yeah, 95% polyester and 5% elastic. Yes, there's the elastic. I feel like these won't shrink as much then. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. It's pretty long. I love it. This is perfect length. So soft. It's like not too flowy like I thought it would be, but it is still like oversized and a little boxy. Literally perfect for summer. Can't believe the price. I feel like dancing these. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. All right. What are you? Okay, bolero. Let's get it, girl. The only concern I have about this is the size because it was one size. But about the fabric, it's just like a normal knit, pretty stretchy. Ooh. Hey. Okay, like I expected it is big. But the texture is like super nice. Feels like any other bolero. I just wish it was just a little smaller so that it could embrace my small shoulders. Feeling good, ayy. Feeling good, ayy. Oh, okay. It's like a cute shirt that I got. It's like super stretchy. Nice. I love it. It's not too see-through. Like this. Ooh. I like that. I think this is really good for like a basic, for like anything. And since there's collar, I could layer it too. I also got another shorts, just like a normal denim shorts. I hope the fit is nice because the color, the length, the design, like I like it. Here is the pants and I'm really surprised about this. This is really stretchy too. Like, do you see? It feels so like, ooh, I could. And the fit is really nice too, like, you know what I mean? The only thing I'm like kind of like confused about right now is, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a burnt yarn. And also on the inside too. Like, I wore it and it was like scratchy, so I like looked and it was kind of like burnt. I just need to like cut it out and I think it'll be fine. Work it. What are you? Oh, I got another shorts. Girl, you went ham with the shorts. This one looks a little bit longer than the other ones that I saw. A little bit looser on the bottom, but that's what I kind of wanted. There are rips on the bottom. Okay, I'm not even surprised about this like fabric anymore. I think I really like this. These are not elastic, it's more stiff. It's literally grabbing my waist so well. And it's loose on the bottom, which I wanted. Wait, stop. I got a little vest. Why is it actually so nice? Like, I love how I got an extra small because in the pictures it looked kind of like big. It runs big. But hopefully like it fits me. I think it'll fit me. Hopefully it fits me. It will fit me. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. But winter's all over. It's only like, what, like 5-6 months left until winter? I could wait. Please fit me. It looks like baby clothes. Oh my gosh, this is like so cropped because I got such a small size. These would only work with like super high-waisted pants. Ooh. No poquito, but it's okay. It'll be weird if there's a pocket, I feel like. Oh, I should find a small, but it's okay. It still works, but still. It's a never-ending unboxing. Who's this? Ooh, yes. I got parachute pants. And they use a really thin elastic, so I really like it. There were multiple colors for this one too. I wanted a white one or a pink one, but I got a black just to be safe. Hopefully the fit is nice. Yo, these pants are like better than I thought. Work it. Very legit pockets. Pockets here too. Only one on the right. on the back side. The length is perfect. Guys, I was trying to tighten this, but guess how it came? I'm literally so sad. Okay, this one's not broken. I guess I'll just not tighten it. I could wear it normally. The fit is actually so nice though. Wait, I love these thin elastics that they're using. I love this fabric. It's like the windbreaker fabric. There's pockets. Thank you. They have this at the edge, so it could be fitted. I could totally dance in these right now. So comfortable. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. I love it, love it. Do you hear the texture? These pants literally 10 out of 10. It's like super elastic. What is this? Oh! So, I got those like the cloud slippers. The cloud slippers. Literally, it's so soft. I wanted pink, but like pink was all sold out. I've always seen these shoes around. I don't know if it's the same one, but I'm excited. It's honestly really soft and really comfortable, but I'm just confused because my housemate actually has the same Temu sandals, but this one feels a little bit harder. Like this one is my housemate's and this one is the one I got. Like this one feels so much more like cloudy and softer and like bouncy, where this one is a little bit more like stiffer. I don't know if it depends on the color or if it comes from like a different warehouse. I don't know. All the clothes that I wear are down below in the description box, so you can check it out. And also Temu has an app, which is also down below in the link or code. And you could get a $100 free coupon. And also Temu is having a Nintendo Switch campaign at the moment where you could get $70 off from the original price. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. It is the end for today. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. And leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.